Most profitable fun businesses for 16 to 30-year-olds. If you're in university and you're thinking about starting a business, I can't advise you what to do, but I can only tell you I deeply regret my university years. If I could find a time machine to go back in time, I would tell my 7 to 9 or 12-year-old self to don't do what you were thinking of doing. Don't go to university. I'm not advising you, I'm advising me, and start one of these businesses. Number five would be a pet house sitting service with an index site to connect with other people who want to create a pet house sitting service around the world. They all use the same brand under one website, create a very dominant index site around the world to create a huge market share. So pet house sitting, I think, is a great business because especially with baby boomers who are retiring, a lot of baby boomers are retiring, traveling the world, getting in their RVs and just seeing the country or seeing Europe. Someone needs to take care of their home, especially with all the home invasions and car thefts. Car thefts are up by 50% in Canada. So number four would be landscaping. Again, to create freedom. No one should be cleaning their own houses or cutting their own grass. People have money today. So if you offer a great service to them, they're going to let you cut their grass every week or every 2 weeks to allow them to, play golf or play pickleball or travel or do whatever they need to do. So landscaping, I think, is a great business. Number three is AI, because I spoke with an older gentleman my age who runs a $30 million business and he doesn't know how to use a computer. So there's a lot of small to medium sized businesses today that still don't use social media, still don't use artificial intelligence, still don't use leverage tools, still don't have systems and procedures in their business. So if you create a digital marketing company specializing in artificial intelligence to grow their business or double or triple their profit, you're going to be very successful as long as you have branding and differentiation to create an unfair advantage. That's crucial part. Number two is obviously painting, because everybody knows how to paint, what painting houses is. They want their bedroom freshened up, they want new wallpaper, especially when you create the need, right? If you show them the reason why people stay at, five-star hotels is because of the ambiance. It's not just location, it's a beautiful room with beautiful views. It's just not paint on the walls, it's wallpaper or some type of textured finish on the walls. So bring that, all the work, all the studies they've done, the millions of dollars they travel and tourism industry has spent on creating that ambiance for hotel rooms, bring that to people's homes, and you're going to have a $5 million painting business. Number one, of course, is bookkeeping. Again, baby boomers are retiring. Allow these people, instead of shutting down their businesses, show them how they can brand and differentiate with to create an unfair advantage, help them double or triple the size of their business with bookkeeping, with trusted circles. You should have a marketing expert, an AI expert, a tax strategy expert, a culture expert, and so on. So when you come in, not just to do their books, with the intention of doubling or tripling their profit, if that's the goal and you can actually deliver that, you're going to be a very wealthy person. Again, if you use an index site and you connect with 1,000 bookkeepers around North America, you're going to be very wealthy. And you're going to make your clients extremely happy because they're doubling or tripling their profits. So, what did I miss? What do young people like to do? And what business would you recommend for a 16 to 30-year-old? Please post your questions, comments below.